Hello and welcome back to Spring 2020, the fully online edition. Since you guys had an online course anyway, not much will change for you. I do want to point you to the updated schedule and syllabus. Be sure you look through those. They're always linked under content on your D2L page right here in the course docs and info section. So you have to scroll down a little ways because you've got your textbook and other things linked here as well. But here is your syllabus, and you'll notice if you click it, it might take it a minute to load. Sorry about this. As soon as it loads, you'll notice that there's not a lot of updates since you guys were already online. Not a lot has changed, but my office hours are extended. I've updated the things I have updated. I've highlighted in yellow here, so you'll see those clearly on the syllabus. My office hours has changed, or my office has changed to a virtual office. A link is provided in D2L. I'll show you that again in a second as well. And my office hours are extended. So I have more office hours available to you now, but they are by appointment only. So just so that I'm not sitting by my computer constantly waiting for you guys. So, but if you make an appointment during those hours, I'll be sure to be here, and I'll be able to talk to you in real time and with my webcam on, so you can see my face and you can choose whether to turn yours on or not. But we can actually talk if you have any questions. So I'm available during these office hours. They are extended. There's more time that I'm available, but available by appointment only. Other things that you'll see have changed in your syllabus are really scheduling things. So you know that we missed 2 weeks for this recent shutdown, and they've added 1 week on the end of the semester. So things have shifted a little bit, and we actually lost a week. So your course dates in your schedule have changed. The assignments have stayed the same. So your city certification is now due on April 7th, and your final research proposal and presentation of that proposal are due on May 12th. You'll see those. I'm going to click over to your course schedule in a second and show you that. So that's the updated syllabus. Please go and read through it and make sure that you're familiarized with everything that's going on. Again, not a lot of changes, but there are a couple of changes specifically to your schedule. So here is that schedule. Same place, under content and course docs and info, or course info and then course docs and info. So click on your schedule here, and here it is. It's tiny. Let's see if I can make it bigger. I'm not sure. Is there here we go. Here, make it a little bigger. So the assignments listed here are the same. This is just the second half schedule. The first half we're done with. But you'll notice that the due dates and start dates are different. So one thing I do want to point out that's a little different now, since we've lost a little time in the semester, is you have 2 weeks, including this first week, during which you have 2 checklists due, right? So most of you probably started on checklist 8, which was the qualitative data and the city training lab before spring break. But I'm going to give you this whole next week to get that finished up. But also during that week, you'll need to do checklist number 9. Both of those labs, you'll notice, have the little I next to them, so they're individual labs. So you don't have to get together with your group this week necessarily. So those are the couple of things I wanted to point out about the schedule. Of course, dates have changed. City training's due the 7th of April. Your final paper and presentation due May 12th, and you can see the other dates here. Please keep this schedule next to you. It will be your guide as you go. Again, don't just assume that you'll do 1 checklist per week, because now there are this week and then the last week of the semester where you'll do 2 checklists in that 1 week. So be sure you're following along with the schedule and keeping up with things. And if you have any questions, of course, let me know. I'm available by email or by appointment in my virtual office. And that goes for the rest of the semester. So I hope that everybody will be able to jump back in and get on schedule and get things completed. And again, let me know if you have issues with that. I know some of you might, like me, you've got kids that are now at home because school is not open. So that complicates your scheduling, your life, and things like that. So if you need any assistance at all with any of this, just let me know. I'm here to help.